Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. On the first page we're gonna have to select the system language for our device, so select from the presented ones and tap continue. After that we're gonna have to select the region from the similar list. Let's just wait until this page shows up, and here we have to select the country or region, so simply select your country and tap yes. After that we're gonna need to select the keyboard layout. Once you have selected it, tap yes, and if you want to add another one right now, you can click add layout and proceed by adding another layout, or you can just skip this step by tapping skip. After that we're gonna have to connect to a network. To do that, select the network from the list, tap connect, and then enter the password to it. Once you have entered the password, tap next once again, and then you're gonna have to wait for usually a couple of minutes until your device checks for all of the available updates for your device. Now the updates themselves will not be installed yet. We just have to wait until the tablet or whatever finds them. After that we're gonna have to review it and accept the license agreement to continue this process. Then if you want to rename your device right now, you can enter the new name of your device right here and click next, and otherwise if you don't want to do this right now but rather later in settings, just tap skip for now. Okay, and after that the tablet or whatever will start downloading and installing the updates. And this process is gonna take very long time, speaking from my own experience. Therefore I'm not gonna be waiting until it's finished, although I really recommend you to just connect the power cable to your device and let it update itself, so you don't have to wait when it's when the setup is finished, and you don't have to download all these updates along with the rest of them also prepared for you after the setup is finished. But I'm just gonna tap update later because I don't want this video to be that long. Therefore I'm gonna select update later and just continue the process. And in the next step, we're gonna have to sign in to our Microsoft account by tapping sign in. Then we're gonna have to enter the email or phone number to our Microsoft account. By the way, if you are interested in how to set up your Windows 11 without a Microsoft account, we have a separate video that titled exactly that. So how to set up Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. Okay. And then let's use a one-time code by tapping send code. After that we're gonna have to enter our email address. That is of course linked with our Microsoft account, and sign in and check our email. So just give me a moment, I'm gonna do it real quick. Okay, and once you find the one-time code in your email, you have to enter it right here and tap sign in, then wait until you are signed in. After that, if you want to, you can also set up the face unlock feature by tapping yes setup and then pointing your positioning your face in the frame on your screen, or you can skip the step for now and do it later in settings. Then create a pin code by tapping create pin. You have to enter it twice, one time in the first field and one time in the second one to confirm. Tap OK. And oops, do not match. Tap OK and wait. Then choose whether you want to let Microsoft and apps use your location and tap accept. Then find my device feature accept this too. And whether or not you want to send diagnosed data to Microsoft, well, you're gonna be sending it anyway, but if you want to send less, select required only. Then inking and typing, so data about your keyboard and touchscreen usage for language recognition or whatever, and personalized ads, of course. Tap accept. This will be the last selection screen, and then tap next once again. Now we'll probably have some ads from Microsoft, like OneDrive expansion or whatever. And yeah, well, at this point you're gonna have to choose whether you want to restore your Windows from the backup. If you do, tap continue. If you want to set it up as a new device, tap more options right here, and set up as a new PC, tap it twice. Then let's wait for a couple of minutes. Then if you want to, you can customize your experience by selecting the presets here that you want to use in your system. However, you can also do it later in settings, and that's why when I recommend doing it, so that you can get to know more about, with each of these presets and what they do to your system. So let's skip this step for now. Now, if you want to synchronize your smartphone with your PC, you have to scan this QR code you see on your screen. If you have an Android device, if you have an iPhone, skip this step and do it later in settings. You can also do it later in settings for Android device. If you want to back up your files to OneDrive, you have to select backup my files. If you don't, select don't backup my files, then tap next. If you want to store photos from your smartphone in your OneDrive folder, you can scan this QR code. I believe it works for both iOS and Android devices, or we can just skip this step. Then if you want to import data, previously saved data from your in your Microsoft Edge web browser to this device, tap yes import, otherwise tap not now, then tap next. And then we have this offers, so tap decline. Then we're gonna have to decide whether or not we want to use this recall feature. If you do want to use it, tap yes save. If you don't, tap no don't save. And now the Windows is fully set up. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.